Where is my cigar?
Lay your head on that. How's your meal, babe?
It's good. Sorry, overload.
Oh no, yeah, overload.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So guys, really quickly, there's an ice cream truck, and it's been a very, very long time that I'd ever see an ice cream truck pass by. Growing up when I was little, when I lived in Sydney, there was always a truck coming in every Saturday, Sunday. Now we're waiting for it so Arlen can have some. You're gonna get ice cream?
Yeah.
You like ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah, and Mummy came out in her slippers running up the road.
Yeah, we have rid of that.
And Arlen didn't have his shoes on, so we gotta wash his feet when he gets inside.
Yeah.
Arlen, you gotta wash your feet before you go inside the house, mister. Yeah. That is it. Yummy, yummy.
So many people waiting. Island.
Huh?
The ice cream man say nah, but I come. He say nah, bring the ice cream.
I want ice cream.
What you gonna do about it?
This
Island him say nah, come in.
is it.
You think me a joke?
Yes, he does, he said. Arlen, the ice cream man not coming.
Oh, okay.
You say
Yeah.
nah, come.
This is light.
Oh my God. How many more do they have to serve?
It's light.
It's like at the hot spot that.
Light. Come in.
Tell him I'm dying. I really need an ice cream after eating pizza.
Ice cream.
Alright.
Get in the
Please don't
car.
stop. Don't not stop. If
Get
this
in
car
the car.
stops, we're in big trouble. Please do not stop. Oh my God. Oh my God,
Oh,
he slowed down.
shit.
Oh my God, he's gonna turn. No. Don't tell me he's gonna turn.
You're funny.
Come on. What the ice cream man? Them
What's
not
he
getting
waiting
that car.
for? What's he waiting
that's where
for?
they live, right? No, please tell me that's where they live.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, they're gonna drive again.
I thought this was going to the car.
Oh, that was. Oh,
Come on, ice cream
I think we're
man.
gonna have to go. Oh my God, this is not what I expect. Oh, there he is. Get in the car. Oh my God, don't stop. Do not stop. Do not stop. Come on, get in your seat. Get in your seat and drive.
Oh, this is the ice cream truck, guys.
Hello.
Hi, good, thanks. Oh, what are we going to get? Oh, there's two of them. I thought it was one.
Yeah.
We ran up the road when we heard you come this way, and we're like waving you down. No, I didn't see us. That's all right. We walked up the road. Okay, so what are we going to get? I'm going to get a choc top. Can you get them in a cup? I seen the choc top cup. Oh, in a cone. Cone. Yeah, cone. Thank you. Island? That's fine. Waffle's good. Island, what are you going to get? Ice cream? Do you want one like Mummy? Yeah? We'll get two of those. And what do you want, babe? Same one or?
Yeah. In cone?
Yeah, fresh passion fruit and ice cream.
Yeah.
Kids cup. Yeah. Cool. Nice. Okay. We'll get another one. So two of those. Another two. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Nice. Yeah. Yummy. She said 20 seconds to dry. Oh. 3 in total. Yeah. 18. Thank you. Island, yummy?
Yes.
Look at him, guys.
Covered in ice cream.
Covered in ice cream.
The moment we got the ice cream, it started melting.
Yeah, it was so weird, eh?
Like literally.
Nom 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 nom.
I did a pretty good job. My God.
We could not go indoors with this mess.
No. Straight to the bath, no? You got ice cream on your leg, babe.
That's from Olden Island.
You got it all over your face too. It's gonna rain. The clouds are dark. Good morning, Island family.
Good morning.
Wagwan people.
Say hi, Ellen.
So today is the Sunday. Can you see you, Bobo? Maybe I'm in the way. Can they see you now?
Yes, I see shark.
You see shark. That's right. So guys, we're just going out shopping today. Oh, come on, Island. Not this now. Anywho's, today guys we're going. Okay, Island wants to take over the camera. Go on, Island, talk to the people. Talk to the Island tribe.
What is it now, Ellen?
What is it, Island? Okay, I talk? Okay. So guys, today we're going to the shopping centre. It's starting to get a little bit cold. Today's not too bad, but it's starting to get a bit cold, so I'm in need of some new nighties or warm bed clothes. Same as Babe. Babe will need some as well. So yeah, we're just gonna go shopping, look around a little bit, spend some time, and then we're probably gonna head back home because I got work this afternoon, so yeah, and then Babe's back at work tomorrow. So that's our Sunday for the day, guys. Nothing too exciting, but
Yeah, we do something,
something different.
Yesterday we chilled pretty much.
Yeah, yesterday we chilled after the live, guys. We didn't do much, but we did. So on a Sunday out this way, not many people doing much. They just either chilling at home, cleaning their place, cutting the grass, going to church.
Probably at the beach.
You reckon on this way? It's pretty windy.
Well,
Here.
I don't know, that's really annoying.
Oh, well, yeah, true. We don't
They'll
know.
probably be out on a Sunday.
We haven't been to the beach since we got back from Fiji.
Literally. We haven't.
So, but we do have something planned in the next couple of weeks. So hoping that Babe can get the 2 days off work, so we can have like a long weekend, and we can go somewhere and do something nice. Yeah. So that'll be good.
Yeah, it's a beautiful morning though. The sun is out, but inside of the house it's chilly. Yeah, it's just weird.
Definitely. I hope this isn't in the camera's way though, the cover.
Oh.
I might just pull it up just in case and put my sunnies on. Yeah. Island, do you want to say anything?
Yes,
Alright, talk now.
I see shark.
You see shark? What? I don't know what he's saying. Do you know what he's saying, babe?
So it's about the ice cream truck, it sounds like.
Oh, the ice cream truck. Yeah. That's what we had yesterday. And it melted everywhere, didn't it? I noticed that this cafe here gets really busy. There's a cafe just close by where we live, and it gets really busy.
Yeah.
But the guy's trying to sell it. And how I know that is because the person I work with at work, it's his brother. So it's the brother, and the brother owns it, and he's trying to sell it, I think, for over $1 million, which is pretty expensive if you look at it. I mean, we are a small country town.
Yeah.
Don't know why they're going to sell it But anyway, what else are we going to talk about, mister?
Not sure, just in a chill chill vibe where I'm just like just feels good to be at home. Yeah, I mean, like, not working today. Yeah. The balloon.
Yeah, it's a public holiday on Tuesday, but I think you're not working.
They haven't said anything to me as yet, so
Yeah. Yes,
I'll
Island.
find out tomorrow.
Guys, we're here now, and yeah, we're gonna go do a bit of shopping, so come and join us.
Yeah, man, let's go.
Let's go now.
Ready.
Let's go shopping.
Quick, that's it.
What's that? Use the GX then. You're so funny.
Huh?
You're so funny. You're like, how are ya?
Yeah, because that's how
So
they
Aussie
talk.
now, guys. Babe's turned into a real Aussie guy.
Nah, fully yardy.
Fully yard money, Aussie mum. Hey?
It's in the shopping center.
It's cold,
Cold?
in here, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's chilly.
I'm
Oh,
thinking,
he's
what the
shaking.
hell, he's shaking.
Oh no, boo
Maybe we'll go
boo.
get him a jumper. We'll go get him a jumper first, guys. Come on, we'll go get your jumper, put it on, and we'll keep the tag.
It's chilly in here for real. You wanna come up? Okay. Why? Why you say that?
Yeah,
Oh.
it must be really hot.
Oh, you mean the person that
Yeah, the person
turn
that
it?
turns it on.
Yeah.
turns it up.
That's crazy. Yeah.
Okay.
What's that?
I'm really cold.
Mm.
It's like a cardigan.
That's nice.
I'll survive. Come on.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, maybe they thought that it was going to be like a really hot day today. So it's like, it just got really chill. Like, for real. And Babe saw his workmate and he goes, how's it going? For real, Australia. Like, what the heck?
The
Anyway.
way they talk, so I just mimicking.
Alright, let's get Island a warm jumper. Island warm jumper?
Yeah.
Okay.
Play, mommy.
Wait.
Here, put this one on. Oh, that's a bit big, you reckon? That one?
Size 4.
Yeah, we'll get him a size 3. Size 3. Here, Bobo, put this on. I'm going to get you
can
something,
wear it
but you
now?
have to be patient.
You can wear it now.
Yeah,
Just have to keep the tag on.
yeah. You can, no, take
Oh, you
the tag
can
off.
take the tag
yeah.
off to
Just
cash.
take the tag off.
Oh, mommy.
It's cool.
No,
There you go. Put it on now and keep the tag.
I want
So we can pay for it on the way out. You cold? Calm down. Look, he goes like this. Calm down. Calm down.
Comfy.
Oh yeah, nice and comfy for you. Well, you need a new jumper anyway, so there you go. There's one. Add one to the clothing rack. Yeah. It's a bit big for him, that one, no? Yeah, he'll go into it. I've got something for you in my mind, but I'm not going to tell you yet until we go there. You warm now?
Look, show mom.
Show mummy, show everyone.
wow, wow, wow. Ooh.
Some warm sleepwear for Island Boy. Hey, what do you reckon? Yeah, but they don't have your size here, Island. They've only got size 3. Yeah, we need a better one. Come on. Put on, go on.
Just try it.
It's not scary, Island.
Look.
Island,
I remember we go bike riding.
bike riding with mummy and daddy.
Yeah. Try it.
No.
He's getting distracted, that's all.
Island. Let's get him a scooter first, I think. What are the ages for this one though? Like, what's the ages?
I'm not sure. Is that the stage you can ride now?
Yeah, I think so.
Mommy.
Possibly. I know what he wants. You happy? You're going to go riding with this one?
Yes.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, Mummy and Daddy buy for you. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, behave yourself now. Don't ask for anything anymore. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, I just picked this robe thing for Babe.
First time trying on this.
Mmm. Yeah, tie it.
Go
Yeah.
this way.
Yeah. So when you get out of bed, no, you tie it around the waist.
Like this.
Yeah, but you tuck this in.
Yeah, tuck
Yeah.
this in. Where's my cigar? In my big cartel mindset.
Oh my gosh, can't tell even. Yeah, so Babe's gonna grab it. Okay, Island. Wait now. It's not all about you now. Wait.
Price of that, guys, is $20.
20 bucks. There we go. Nice. Now we're looking at the pajamas. Some nice warm clothes for Babe, which I think small, medium. I think these ones will do.
Side up full.
Set. Yep. Yeah? You like? Yeah. That would keep you warm. Alright. You good with slippers? You got slippers. Yep. My gosh, it's cold in here. It's chill. Charger. We're going to the chargers now. Anyways, guys, I've come to get a charger because I need a charger for my phone. Because I bought a new phone.
And the jewelry.
Oh, blocks here. This is what I need, blocks. It's not that one. Oh, this could be it. It kind of is, I think. I'm not sure. Guys, I ended up getting this. I had to ask the lady if this was the right one for the iPhones, which she said it is. So, yep, that's that. And I want to get another new mouse pad because, yeah, we need it. So, I'm just going to get that one.
Gonna have to invest in something like this one day before we go. I mean, we are always together anyway, so we probably don't need it.
Camping or something.
We probably don't need it anyway.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Go this way. Oh, the light thing. The tripod things. I've got one, but mine broke. Now we're going to the women's section and I'm going to get myself some warm pajamas for bed too. Let's go this way. These look warm. These big sleepy thingies underneath. Yeah. I remember I used to have one of these when I was pregnant with Island because well, Babe wasn't there to keep me warm, so I had to keep myself warm somehow. So one thing with shopping for 90s and pajamas and that, guys, I noticed that when you, I don't know if you use or do it too, but when you're shopping for like 90s, you always get a size bigger than what you are, or 2 size biggers, because when you sleep you want to sleep comfortable. So this is, oh my gosh, this is warm as anything. I don't know about purple though. Purple's a little bit out there.
Looks. Oh, this one.
Let's maybe have a look at the blue.
Alright.
I think blue.
I actually like the one you're wearing now.
The purple one.
What's wrong with you?
What's
Oh, careful, man. Oh,
Maybe you like purple. I like this colour. This is my kind of colour. Or green.
Yeah.
Euros. Oh shoot, I'll just drop that. Okay. Which one do you reckon?
I actually like that one,
You like
but
purple?
yeah, it's. What's he like then?
Yeah?
Yeah.
They're so warm and cuddly though. I think I could just wear this right now.
out?
You like those more?
Yeah.
No, I'll just stick with this one.
Okay.
I'm cool.
Have the white one also,
I'll
guys.
try the one.
Yeah. The whole thing
Take
moves.
the whole trolley with me. This one's like $5. I mean, $5 less.
Oh shit! Look at they're on the floor.
Oh no.
Oh shit!
No wonder.
Yeah, no wonder why.
No wonder.
They're on the floor. All right.
So that's a no-go. No.
Yeah.
No. I don't feel them. They're actually plastic.
Oh, and they look.
They look real,
Yeah, exactly.
but they're plastic. If you want real, they're there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just different.
Yeah.
Pressure cooker. What are you gonna cook on the pressure cooker?
What catch me eye is that it looks so digital. Like, what's up with these?
It's digital. Rice, curry.
What the heck? And the price for that is $59.
Yeah.
And what's this one? 8 in one.
Multi-cooker.
So,
Air
multi-cooker.
frying, steaming, roasting, rice cooking. Amazing. All these are the displays.
Oh. Sure, these things I've never seen in my life.
And this is your food processor. Can you use that as a juicer too? Would you say?
It looks like. What's that?
Mixer and a chopper. Stick mixer and a chopper.
Mix like
Yeah.
yeah.
So you put your stuff in there. And
And
then
it
you-
blends it pretty much.
Yeah, it blends it all up, chops it
okay.
up. Interesting.
And this one is.
Oh, look,
is the
citrus
same.
juicer.
Yeah.
Egg cooker.
What? Egg cooker? I swear they have things for everything you can think of. That's just really crazy.
I need a pillow like this, guys. I got like sometimes I wake up with a really sore neck. And there, you need a new pillow. True? Would you say?
Yeah.
So I need a new pillow, but I'm not gonna get this because it's out of the packet. Obviously, but I'm gonna find the brand actually,
Yeah.
which is. I'm gonna ask the lady. I'll be back. You look around my bag, please.
So that one grabbed, which is what, 28?
$28. I got
$28.
these ones, guys, because they're Supreme Comfort pillows. So yeah, good for comfort, high profile. Lay your head on that. They're comfy too.
Yeah.
Bit soft though. These are a bit more firm.
True.
Yeah. They call them cloud
Cloud pillow.
pillows. So these go under, like over your blankets underneath. Yeah. So these are your juice blenders, guys. This one will probably be the best one because it's got like, you put your stuff in there and you press it down.
Oh.
Yeah. But there's ones.
It's a good one.
Yeah, but there's ones where you can just press your foot. You
Don't have to touch it. Yeah, I like that too.
Yeah, that one's a good one. They're back there.
Down this way. Oh yeah. Here they are. Pedal. They call them pedal bin.
One of these.
Yeah, grab one.
You can grab it. Hang on, I'll
Yeah.
just want to make sure it's pretty big. No?
Yeah, that's what I was
It's a
thinking.
nice one. Okay.
Grab a smaller one or that size?
I don't know. This is a 20 litre.
These ones look smaller, you think?
Yeah. Maybe just grab the smaller one. What do you reckon? Big one or small one?
Yeah.
Small one.
Yeah. I guess we'll just grab this.
Okay, we'll grab the big one then. How much are they? Are they?
29. Yeah.
Yeah, 29. That's fine. Yep. Pardon me. Oh my gosh. I need a coffee.
Try to overload.
Oh no, yeah, overload. Babe just pointed out something else to us. A spice jar. And what can we put in the spice cupboard though? What would be, where would we put out, like what would we use that cupboard for?
Anything at all. Because you have your spices too and all that. So just probably another time though. Oh, so it's like a double layer. It's like you can put
Yeah,
down here and put
on
up
the
here.
top.
But just realize, yeah.
Interesting.
That's wicked.
It's a good idea. So Island had to go and pee, guys. Anyways, so I'll continue shopping. Yeah, just looking at all the stuff. Oh, they've got heaps of containers here. You can put stuff in it. Just continue looking. Okay, these are $5. Might grab a box of these. Nice glasses. Let's have a look at them. Sorry guys. Might just put this in here. See if it's better. These ones. As they say, you gotta look at them before you buy them, because if they come broken. Oh, they're nice. Might take those. It's a buy. It's a wrap. $5 for a pair of 6. Now that's a bargain. Okay. Just gonna go in here, just make sure my handbag doesn't get stolen. Actually, I'll take my handbag with me just in case. What else was I looking at before? I really like that spice thing that Babe picked, but I'm not going to take it today because we have already got a full trolley of stuff. So yeah, but we do need a toilet brush, so that's an important thing we need.
Going through self-checkout, guys. So far we're almost at 150, close to that. 138, 153.
And the lolly?
That is it. Yeah.
Alright, I'll get you to
235.
How's that, Island? You like it? Nice? Yeah, better than McDonald's? Yeah? So guys, he got a big cheeseburger and chips. Yep. Yeah. Nice? Yummy, yummy? And watch the movie. Oh. Yeah. And Daddy drinking a alcoholic ginger beer and a Cascade non-alcoholic ginger beer.
Yeah. Nice though.
Very nice. Definitely. Yum yum.
Look how big this plate is.
So it's a huge plate. Ribs, beef ribs, smoky beef ribs. You're gonna like that, I think. And I got a rump steak with salad. That is it now. Eat it, shell it down. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Amen. How's your meal, babe?
It's good.
Does it taste smoky? It's nice, no?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Mine's good too, guys. The aftermath.
Prime scene left.
Yeah. Nothing left.
Full.
Island boy. Ready to go home? Yeah. Full belly? Yeah. Okay. So guys,
Left?
Yeah, left. We're on our way home. Just gonna go pick up my brother first because he had a few drinks last night, and as you know, here in Australia the laws are pretty tough when it comes to drink driving. So yeah, right now we're in Lismore, so Lismore's still kind of rebuilding.
Straight?
Yeah. And so Lismore, lots of places are still trying to rebuild, and we just had the best lunch.
Yeah, that smoky ribs was really good.
Yes, Island. Yeah, you just rub them together, let them dry. So I just sanitized Arlen's hand. He's complaining. Left, babes.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah, so anyways, picking up my brother, then going straight home. So full, my belly's full.
Yeah, it was really worth it, man.
It was worth it for sure. So that's for anyone that is up this ways ever. Lismore, Mary G's. Yep, right. Mary G's will give you a good feed. Smoky ribs, and I had the steak, which is really nice too. Yeah, no, not the following one, turn right. Oh, left. Sorry. Left. Yeah.
This one down here?
Yep. Island, stop please. Richmond River. This used to be a school here on the left.
Oh, okay.
It's no longer.
Did it got flooded?
Yeah, fully to the top.
Oh, is it? That's why it's not.
Yeah, it's not running here anymore. It's no longer here. They're probably going to build the building down, and if anything, probably rebuild.
Yeah.
It was really full. That's why I believe when Dave said that his friend's house got flooded, I
go with the man them when I drop them know it's a long time. My enemies know, never been a time when my enemies.
So very touchy.
Yeah.